Yes, hi everyone. My name is Raymond, and I'm going to be sharing with you some technical analysis on silver. So, without wasting much time, let me first drop this. Let me first go to the daily time frame. Let me see what we got. So, on the daily time frame, first thing we can notice is price has been pretty bullish for a while now. All we can see, price has been printing higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and looks like this was the most recent break of structure over here. So let's come and mark this out. This was the break of structure that we had recently. Price came and broke this high. Fine. So after price came and broke that high, what happened? Price has been retracing. So it looks like most of these demand zones have been traded through. Price has traded through most of these demand zones. So we're just left with one clean unmitigated demand zone, just this one, just this over here. So my expectation is price coming trading into this zone for a move to the upside for a bullish trend to continue. That's scenario number one. However, when you look closely, it looks like price has swept liquidity behind these lows. Price has traded below these lows, so it has taken liquidity below these lows. And just after that, let me zoom this out in a minute. So what we can notice is after this sweep, price came and retraced immediately to the upside and created a change of character. We can notice this just right over here. We can notice a change of character right here. So scenario number two could be just like this. Price might want to trade into this zone as well. Still on the daily time frame, price can easily trade into this demand zone for a bullish trend to continue for a move like that. So that's scenario number two. Scenario number one, just over here. Scenario number two, we can take this idea of the sweep. After this sweep, we created the change of character, and we can look for an entry on the lower time frames like the M15 in this from this demand zone. We can look for an entry for price to continue. In case that doesn't happen, we shall see. So let me first drop to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, hold on. Let me just briefly make this visible on the lower time frames as well. Sorry, even this below, current and below. Okay. So when we drop to the 4 hour time frame, our change of character is actually very, very, very clear on the 4 hour time frame. It's just right here. So what we can notice on the 4 hour time frame is price has been printing lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, printed a lower low, and finally broke a high, a lower high, just like this. So we can expect some bullish momentum to kick in at any given moment. So we can actually expect a move like this. Price comes, trades into this zone, drop to the 15-minute time frame to capture move to the upside, just as we saw on the daily time frame. However, as you look closely, much as this is a very clear change of character, indicating trend might be changing, to me, it still looks as inducement. Looks like price might want to induce early buyers, take them out, then have the bullish move afterwards. So this could actually act as liquidity. This could act as inducement that has been taken out. Early sellers have been taken out at the moment. So price is still trading within this 4 hour supply zone. So we can capture a sell move from this zone to this zone. We have a trade idea from here. So the 15-minute time frame can actually guide us in case we get an M15 shifting structure. We can capture sell up to this 4 hour and daily zone, or even potentially downwards to the daily demand zone that is still unmitigated. So we can either capture move to here. If in case we get a change of character from this demand zone on the M15, we can still look for buys, or even this could be a move to the downside. Price can easily trade through this zone to the daily demand zone that we just marked out on the daily, before the bullish move actually continues. So in my conclusion, we can still, if we have the first bullish sign at the moment. I'm not yet very confident with this move, unless this demand zone fails. If this supply zone, if this supply zone fails, then that might actually be convincing that the bullish move is about to start. But for now, I'll look for the buys, but carefully. On the M15, we can still look for sells from this zone. Let me drop to the 15-minute time frame. So this is how the 15-minute time frame looks like. 15-minute time frame, order flow is still bullish, very bullish. You guys can actually notice that. So we're going to keep it simple. In case order flow switches bearish, we can actually look for a sell move to this 4 hour and daily demand zone. So that's it for now, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.